So you want to back up your WordPress website and you're having issue regarding which of the backup WordPress plugin you should utilize, because when you go to your plugin area and then you search for backup, you see a lot of plugins that are literally having high reviews, yet you don't know which of them to pick for backing up your website. So in this video, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to tell you the backup WordPress plugin I've actually utilized and actually works perfectly. So if you want to back up your WordPress website, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Before we begin, my name is Victor and this is Victory Design. So please hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Okay. So now, what is the best backup plugin or best WordPress backup plugin out there? Well, in general, you read through, there's no best backup WordPress plugin out there. Every plugin out there is actually good and they actually have their upside and their downside. So there's no major one that you can say this is the main one or this is the positive one or this one does not have any downside to it. Every plugin out there has their positive side, they have their negative side. It might be free and has some bug or had issue or has limited space, or it might be it might have a free plan, but then to do better things you have to pay for the you have to go for the pro plan. But at the end of the day, you have to still pick one plugin. Out of all the devils you have, you need to pick one devil. So that's how it is. So with that being said, here are top 4 WordPress plugins that you can literally use for backing up your WordPress website. Yes, top 4 WordPress backup plugin that you can use to back up your WordPress website. So number 1, the one I've tried, this is what I've used and utilized and I can recommend it to you, is Updraft. So Updraft is actually a very good WordPress plugin that can actually help you back up your website. I've utilized it and it's actually great to backing up my website. So even with Updraft, I could actually migrate my website from one domain name to another. Updraft is actually a great one, a great plugin that can actually assist you to back up your WordPress website. So if you're actually looking at a backup plugin, then I think you should be looking at Updraft. I think those guys earn it. They have actually tried and they have their premium plan, they have their free plan, but the free plan is actually great for me and I utilize it. And so you can actually use it if you need a backup WordPress plugin to back up your website, especially a blogging platform. So number 2, you have Duplicator. So Duplicator is actually another WordPress plugin I've tried in backing up my WordPress website and it's actually perfect. Now I know you want to ask yourself, am I backing up all my website every time? Yes, I do that a lot. And I also do that for my client website. So if I build a website for you or if my agency build a website for you, we actually save a backup for it so that if you have issue or if the website run into any error, we can easily revert it to the previous state. So that's it. So Duplicator is also another WordPress backup plugin we have actually utilized and it's very great, it's useful, and it actually does the job of backing up your website. Yes. So number 3 is BackWP Up. Sorry, BackWP Up. So I normally miss this plugin name as Backup WP, but it's BackWP Up. Now, this plugin is actually great because it easily helps you back up your WordPress website. It's just created for that purpose, back WP up. So back WordPress up. So you just go there, install the plugin on your plugin area or your plugin store. It's actually a free one. Install it and then you can utilize it. So also, so the number 4 which I utilize is Blog Vote. And Blog Vote is actually good. If I want to do ranking, I think I will make Blog Vote number 4 because there are still some constraints. But Blog Vote is actually great if you are looking for a backup plugin for your WordPress website. So as I said before, these 4 are the ones I've tried and you can make use of. So every time I want to pick, I literally start from Updraft because I think I like their system more. But I don't want to be partial here. You have to do your own testing because sometimes it might depend on the server, it might depend on the hosting you're utilizing. So most of our client websites, I use Namecheap if it's a blog, and Updraft works very fine. Now, if it's other form of website like a business website, I think Duplicator does the job. So these are the 4 I've actually utilized, guys, and I can recommend to you. So if you want any backup plugin or you want to back up your WordPress website, then utilize this 4 plugin and it will work perfectly for you. So thanks for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now, guys. Hit the subscribe button. This is a premium content I'm bringing your way, so you have to hit the subscribe button and follow us, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we'll bring videos like this across your way so you can understand how to utilize or how to make your website, your WordPress website, go viral and become premium. You get, guys? So hit the subscribe button and share this video to someone that actually needs. Like the video, and I'll see you on my next WordPress tutorial. Bye for now, guys. See you on my next tutorial.